Today I'm going to show you how to post to Instagram from a computer instead of a mobile device. You're going to want to use the Chrome browser. You can also use the Firefox browser, but I'm going to show you how to do it with Chrome in this video. As you can see, this is what Instagram looks like on a computer. There's no way to post anything. All you can do is comment or look at stuff. First things first, you want to press Control, Shift, and I, and that will bring up the Inspect console. You can also do this by right-clicking and clicking Inspect. Now you want to click Toggle Device Toolbar on the top. And from there, you can select various types of devices. Really, any of them will work to show you what it looks like on that device. Now you want to go ahead and refresh the page, and you can do this by clicking the little swirly thing on the top or clicking F5. Now, as you can see, it's got the icons on the bottom just like when you view it on mobile. So now I'm able to post, and I'm going to do a little post real quick just to show you that it works. And there it is, the post that I made from my PC. If you found this video helpful at all, please give me a like and a subscribe because I do videos like this all the time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.